What is going on, everybody? Let's go over dividend investing for next week. I'm gonna give you two examples that you can take advantage. One is 16% dividend yield that you can capture for your own portfolio, and one is 11.9% dividend. With that being said, let's get started. Dividend investing using Market Chameleon. I use Market Chameleon. There's a link in the description below. You can start your 7-day free trial for two things. I use Market Chameleon for two things. Number one, sell options for income. This is a different video. They give me trades that I sell. I don't buy options, I sell, generate income from all the option buyers that are gambling if the price will go up or down. Option number two is what I do on a weekly basis, and this is what we're doing now. I'm buying dividend stocks that are going ex-dividend next week. And let me show you exactly how I do that. In Market Chameleon, you got a couple of options here: stocks, options, earnings. That's actually a great one. News filters. It's a great software. But let's focus on this part, dividend. And in dividend, I picked future X date. Okay, that's what you do. On the 7-day free trial, everything is open for you. Everything that you want to do. Okay. So I click future X date, which brings me to this screen. What I do here, I change X date, this one, to the next 7 days, and the yield. Okay, so I change to next 7 days. So all the stocks that are paying dividend by next 7 days, and I change the yield from high to low. So the highest next week, 16%, 14, 13, All you need to do in order to capture the dividend is have stocks in your portfolio one day. Listen guys, this is a very important part of the video. You need to have stocks in your portfolio one day before the ex-dividend date. Before the ex-dividend date. Okay? You can sell on ex-dividend date, you can sell a day after, a week later, a month, a year, doesn't matter. But in order to get the dividend, you must have shares one day before ex-dividend date by 4 p.m. when the market closes Eastern time. So let's go over two examples for this particular video, and you can explore Market Chameleon and use this strategy as you wish every single week. So let's do that. Start with my first pick. Look at this, extra 90% dividend from the last dividend that happened a quarter ago. That's pretty awesome. And you're getting for this stock MVO, I'm gonna click on that in a second. MVO, MV Oil Trust Unit, you're getting 16% yield. This is quarterly. They're paying you 21 cents. I'm gonna click on this in a second. Very important, ex-dividend date is April 14. As I said a minute ago, you need to hold shares on April 13, one day before the ex-dividend date. Okay, so you need to hold shares on April 13 in order to get 21 cents per share or 16% annually dividend. Pretty amazing. And payday is about a week later, April 23. Let's click on this stock MVO right here. See what we got. Price today $5, $5.26. Pretty awesome. And you get paid right here. You go to the bottom. Next dividend, April 14. Let me make it bigger for you guys. Next dividend, April 14, 21 cents. So 100 shares, for example, is $500. That's $20. And 1,000 shares, just for the example, that's at 1,000 shares. $5,000 will get you 200. That's it. The cash in your account a week later, not including if the price will go up. Sure, the price can go down. People are afraid of that. In my opinion, that it's inconclusive. Some stocks go up, some stocks go down on ex-dividend date. You don't have to sell on ex-dividend date, but you have to buy at least at most one day before the ex-dividend date. So this stock MVO Oil Trust Unit of Beneficial Interest pays you 16% dividend yield, and all you have to do is hold shares on April 13. Let's move on to option number 2. Before we go over option number 2, subscribe to my channel only if you gain value, guys. Channel name Finance After 40 right here. Go watch all those videos. For example, ARK Space ETF right here, my opinion, and why I think the stocks in this video will outperform the stocks in the fund. NEO, when I said it's too expensive at 60 bucks, got a lot of hate. I said Palantir, all the insiders are dumping, got a lot of hate as well. And look where NEO and Palantir is now compared to a couple of months ago. However, my super long 10x pick, etc, etc, McDonald's, Nike, AT&T, Walmart, AMC, Disney, GameStop, all that good stuff. Check my channel, subscribe, like, only and only if you gain value. Let's move on to option number 2, dividend yields. I want to show you this one, okay, 11.6%. I'm going to tell you in a second why. First of all, you can go by yourself. Go check the link for Market Chameleon and do this one, 14.6%, 14%, 13.6, 12.5, 11.9. But I have picked for this example this one, Credit Suisse, AG, Credit Suisse, I don't know what it is. Yes, it's only, I say only because it's not only at all, 11.6% dividend yield, 19 cents, 38, but it's a jump from like 1,000% jump from like 2 cents. You see, the jump to 19 cents. They paid this payment extra 17 cents. That's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Credit Suisse, they have a lot of problems, so now they're just, I don't know what they're doing. They're just paying. They're paying money to their shareholders. That's what the smart money does. That's what the smart money does. Extra 17 cents. Check this out. That's pretty amazing. What do we have here? Ex-dividend date is April 12. What does that mean? That means that you need to hold shares one day before. Now, April 12 is Monday, meaning that today is Friday. You need to basically, not a financial advice, but if you do want to enjoy this dividend, you need to have shares by Friday, today, April 9 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And the pay date is about a week later, April 21st. Pretty awesome. Look at this. Extra 17 cents. You would not have found that. Sure, you could have found that Google stuff. You would, but I would not have found about this opportunity of a dividend paying stock of 19 cents instead of 2 cents a month ago. That's the beauty. Let's click and see what we got. So the stock REML, that's the ticker symbol REML. I don't know what it is. Credit Suisse AG, Credit Suisse X links monthly payment, $7 today, okay? And they're paying on April 12, 19 cents. So what does that mean? That for every, let's say you got 100 shares, $700, you're getting $19. Okay, and if you do 1,000 shares, that's $7,000. They pay you 194, almost $200, like the other one that you needed 500 or 5,000. This one you need 700 or 7,000. Doesn't matter. You can buy one share for $7 and just experiment with dividend paying stocks on a weekly basis. That's what I think. But the beauty of this, that this paid you 2 cents a month ago, and now they're paying you 19 cents. So maybe it's a good stock to investigate what exactly they're doing, REML, but that's for a different video completely. I don't know what they do, but they're paying you 19 cents for every share that you pay $7 for. This is the section of the option. If you gain any value, guys, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell, all that good stuff. Check Market Chameleon in the description below. Do yourself a favor, join the 7-day free trial. Check everything, experiment with everything. Go grab some income from dividend. Go grab some income from selling options from this website as well. And subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Yep.